Alright, so this video is on how to program this key fob remote for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. This current vehicle is my 2011 Ford Focus SE, and it works on that and the vehicles I mentioned. So this is the procedure to program these. So first, make sure your door is unlocked. Now you're going to cycle the ignition 8 times, and on the 8th time you're going to end on the run position. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The door is cycled, so that means the car is now in programming mode. So all you need to do is hit any button on the remote. So let's say I click the unlock button, the door cycled. So now this remote is programmed, but this is my spare and this is my main key. So don't forget to press the button on both of these remotes, or only this one will work and this one won't work at all, and you'll have to do it again. So now, exit programming mode, key the ignition off, and now both remotes work, this one and my main one. Thanks for watching this video and hope this helped.